Hey, what's up, everyone? This is King Crypto coming in. We're going to do a raffle giveaway, and we're going to talk about a trading tip that will change your outlook on trading itself. And if you're new to this space, then this will be super useful. 69 unique commenters. That's really cute. All right, anyway, sorry for the distraction. Man, if I win, I will reinvest your money into BitConnect X. All right, well, I don't know how much $20 is going to help you, but hey, you know what? If it went up, let's say if this $20 goes up the amount BitConnect went up as an ICO, you would probably make like $2,000, maybe more. So it's a good thought. So we will give you $20. It's nice to see Litecoin actually went up today. And as a token of your friendship, I will be giving out 0.1 Litecoin next week. That's right, 0.1. The stakes are raised, so start sending your comments down now. Alright guys, let me start off by saying I am not a day trader, and I'm not going to lie, I don't know everything there is to know about trading. But there is a few things that I know are super pertinent to your trading experience. And this one tip will change how you trade. If you're a beginner into this space, or if you're a new investor and you want to start learning how to make some money, I'm telling you right now, trust me on this one. This one tip could really help you a lot. So you want to go to tradingview.com. First step. Now, this is how I make trades now. I go to crypto market or cryptocurrency market cap, and I go to the next 100. And I just look for coins that are falling in price. So let's pick BitBay as an example. I'm gonna put BitBay into our exchange. Interactive chart. Now with this interactive chart, we have a lot of options here, a lot of indicators. But I'm going to cut all that into one easy, very understandable sentence. And that is, type in moving average exponential and click it twice. You've just made your trading experience that much easier. So let me show you the real power behind this. So for your first moving average, you're going to set it to 13, length 13. And that means 13 average candlesticks, pretty much. So these last 13 will make an average, and that will be the line. So I'm going to make that one blue for now. And then this one, I'm going to make it at 34. And I am going to make this a different color so you can see the difference. Make it bright. Okay, I keep doing that to me. So what we see here is two different lines that are giving us an indication of something. I'm going to zoom in to right around here. Let's pretend this is a real-time graph, okay? How would you make this trade? So my blue one is the 13. That's the one you want to pay attention to. You see, when 13 crosses over red, so when blue crosses red right here, that is a signal that the price is going to go up, okay? I can't explain exactly what, so there's a moving average of 34 candlesticks, and that's the blue. So it's a little bit more consistent because it's a larger variation of candlesticks. So 13 indicates its short-term growth or decline. So as a result, when 13 or blue crosses the red, that indicates that there's going to be a breakout, essentially. And it works most of the time. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen a time where it hasn't worked. So let's go down more. It's coming down. It's coming down. Now this means, well, the market's coming down now. It went from whatever here to here. This is a point where you want to buy. You want to buy when the gap is wide, because that means it's at a lower point than usual. As we can see here, there is a cross, but it is a fake out. So you got to be careful for that too. But it crosses down again. And we see here, now it's really wide. The gap is nice and wide. So here is where you buy. You want to buy when the gap is wide and it's down, because eventually it's going to come back up, just like it did here. Now you can tell when it's about to cross paths, right in this middle, and that is where you make your sell. You make it right around here, or maybe at the top when the gap is this high, or when it's even around here. You can kind of make a prediction that something's going to happen soon. And this is for safe trading. You can follow the graph and you can make a prediction that it can keep going up higher, but this is a statistical analysis and it's factual. These lines are based on mathematics, and I trust that more than I trust my own emotions. So this is where you would sell out. Again, the blue line crosses the red, so this is a period of it's coming down, and this is a period where it comes up, and it's just simple as that. And here we see it just keeps going up and up and up, and here you can make your own call, but you could probably sell a little bit here, sell a little bit here, and then when it starts coming down again, when you start seeing that coming down, you make your sell. So now we're in the present. Interesting. What do we do with these two lines now? So because the indicators aren't going up or down, I don't want to make a call. However, I did make a video before this on Digibyte, purely using this one tip, and I just want to say it worked out really well in my favor. Hopefully it'll help you better understand using moving average exponential indicators. It's very simple to use, and hopefully this will help you even more. Hey guys, I figured I should make this video really quickly. I'm going to do a trade on Digibyte with moving average exponential indicators. There's two different setup. One is 13 candlestick average and one is 34 candlestick. So when the 13 candlestick overlaps the 34, that means that there's about to be a breakout that's going to occur. And I'm fairly confident that this is going to happen this way. So I decided to put my money where my mouth is. So hopefully it'll work out for the best. And if it does, this could be a great learning experience for all the new investors out there. So good luck to me, I hope. And I'll come back in an hour.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm about an hour into the trade, and the indicators worked as they were supposed to. So pretty happy about that. It went up about, when I bought it was about 699 satoshis. Now it's at 747 satoshis. So that's a nice little increase. And I'm not gonna FOMO. Well, I might FOMO if I sell out here, but I have to sell out soon because it could crash. It could come all tumbling down. Then I'll feel real sad about it. And I'll have to wait another hour and hope it comes back up. So that's the crypto market for you. You don't know what could happen, but you can use the technology that we've created as humans, you know. Well, not me, but you know what I'm saying. There's so many statistical analyses, and it gets very confusing, but those indicators, they're so easy to make, and I feel like it almost always shows you where the market's going. I might make a video next time with the RSI indicators, which is relative strength index. I think that one's pretty useful. And MACD. Gotta sell it. MACD, by the way, is pretty much what we did. Those two indicators I made, that's like a MACD indicator. But that's a topic for another time. So, just gotta sell this out. I hate it when this happens, man. I also hate it when it's partially filled. Are you kidding me? Come on. That was a sexy breakout, though. I gotta tell you. have to pat myself on the back for that. What kind of old is this? Oh. Alright, there we go. Great. Now we can see here that about an hour has gone by since, maybe an hour and a half, since I sold my Digibyte for the tutorial. And as I have explained, the red line, which is the 13 moving average, has crossed, and it's crossed pretty hard. And as a result, Digibyte price is even higher than when I sold. I sold around here, right here, and now it's all the way up to here. So there you go. That's even further proof that this is a very tried and true method. And yeah, I'm having some FOMO right now and I kind of want to get back in, but I'll have another opportunity. You have to remember that too with crypto. There's so many opportunities to make money that you shouldn't rush into. Don't FOMO too hard. You know what I mean? It's gonna be okay. There's plenty of times. See that? And that's why you don't want to FOMO. So, you know, we have to be grateful for the trades that we make well. And you know what? A 5 or 10% increase is better than losing money. So that's how I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I really do hope that you can take this tip with you and it will change your trading life, honestly. Because I didn't know what I was doing for a long time until I learned this simple trick. And it really is the only trick I use, because I don't. Every time I see this cross, it does exactly what it's going to do, if that makes any sense to you. It's a pretty reliable method of tracking where a price is about to go. So whenever you see the red, or whatever you set it up to be, whenever you see the 13 set up and it crosses over to 34, you know then to buy. Or you know then that it's going to go higher, at least. Don't buy, but sell when it starts growing higher. And when it's down like this is when you buy in. And if you follow this method and you keep following it, you'll make profits that you can't even believe. So that's that, guys. I'm King Crypto. Let's get cryptical.
King Crypto! Yo! Hey, man! Here we go! I got nothing else to say! I want to welcome you to the fastest cryptocurrency channel in the world! Hey, King Crypto!